Hello all. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to execute applets in IntelliJ IDE. As we know that applets are deprecated from Java version 9, that is, we cannot execute any applet-based programs from Java version 9 and above. If we want to execute any kind of GUI-enabled applications, then we have to work only upon the Swings. If we want to execute applets or Swings in IntelliJ IDE, then we need to make some sort of changes with respect to IntelliJ IDE. So if you can see here, we have projects, customize and plugins. In the plugins, select plugins, and in plugins, type applets. You will find Java applet support. Click on install. As once this is installed, restart the IDE, close the IDE, and then again open the IDE. Now we have already installed applets. Now click on projects, new project. Here I'm selecting Java. As we know that the default version is Java 16, as if we want to execute applets will not be executed on Java 16. We have to work upon Java 8 or below. So I'm selecting Java 8 as my version. Then I'm clicking on next. And project title, I'm just typing was FAA some name. I'm closing the tips. In the source folder, I'm selecting the source folder and right clicking it, and then I'm creating the Java class. Even in this case, I'm creating the Java class only, and I'm writing my applet name as FA. And if I want this class to be converted to applets, then we need to extend with an applet class. So I'm importing the package. In the applet code, I'm writing the init method in order to initialize the components that we are adding. Here we are creating, I want to create a component called label. As we know, all the components are present in AWT package. So we need to import that package if we want to use any of the components. You can see AWT package is imported implicitly. The component name is L. And here I'm writing applet. I'm trying to add the component to the container. So in order to add the components, we use the method called add, and our component name is L. Right. So now what we have done, we have just installed the Java applet plugin, and then we have changed our SDK from 16 to 8. Next, the other thing that what we need to do is we need to add the configuration. You can see a tab called add configuration. Click on this add configuration, and then you can see a plus button which is highlighted, that is used to add any of the other configuration settings. So if you can see here, we can find an applet tab. Select this applet. Now assume that my applet name is unnamed. Here I'm selecting applet class. And in the applet class, I'm selecting my applet. Next, this is the width of height. If you want to change the width and height of the applet, that you can make the changes here. If the applet is taking any of the parameters, you can pass the parameters in this column. Then I'm not changing any of the options below. And directly I'm clicking on OK. Now we have installed the applet plugin. We have changed the SDK from 16 to 8, and we also added the configuration in order to execute the applet. This configuration we have added to make sure the applets are being executed. Now I'm clicking on the play button. When I'm clicking on the play button, I'm running the unnamed configuration that is used for applet run, applet viewer or applet runner. I'm clicking on the play button that is used to build the application and execute the code. See, the applet has been started. The name is applet. It is the label that we have added. This is how we execute the applets using IntelliJ IDE. If you want to work on Swings, you can work on any of the version. Swings are supported by all the versions, but if you want to execute the programs on applets, then you have to use the Java version, which is below 9. Hope you're clear with how do we execute applets using IntelliJ IDE. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.